like I'm floating through the air.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi there fam, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. So we got a very unique video. It's funny because I was recording when I was going to the stores to get the letters, and just decided not to post it. You know, I erased the videos and everything, but people have been requesting this video about the KAMURI letters or how to take your emblems out. So as you all know, some of them come with the obviously the Toyota emblem, or the Camry letters, or the Camry. So you guys can see, mine actually came with the blackout ones. It's matte, it's not gloss. And when I had my IC, actually just came in chrome, which I plastic dipped them, and then I made them black, which wasn't really that hard, honestly. But in this case, so from what I heard, I'm not exactly 100% sure, all Toyota cars and the emblems, they have a special 3M double stick tape. It's not the ones you find in the store. It's not the one you find in, you know, AutoZone or other. No, it's a very special one. I believe it's a little bit more expensive, but you know, it's one that actually sticks. Like, you know, I mean, I work with 3M double stick tape, and you know, it's good enough for me. That one really actually does work. All of my videos, you know, all of my things that I put in the car, this is actually really strong from what I hear. So the emblem has one little spike, I guess you can call it. You guys can see it right there. You guys can see it there. So I'll actually remove, like I always use the glue gun. You know, I want to give a huge shout out to my homie from Tintigo, my homie Hector, the one that wrapped my car. He the one who actually took them out for me. I was gonna be there, and I should have been there to record this so you guys can you know, see it physically. But you know, glue gun always helps. You know, taking out every double stick tape, every decal or sticker, everything actually in general. But yeah, so this one pretty much go around the emblem. That's the first thing. Once you take the spike out, it should be pretty easy to take the middle part out. But just pouring glue on, you know, from the top, so it just rinses down, it'll go through the double stick tape. Same thing with the Camry letters. Let me see over here so you guys can know. So the C has two spikes right here, two little spikes there on the back part over here. So you can pretty much start from the right side of the C and just move your way up until the spikes are there, and just pull it out. Be careful with your paint too. Use the right tools. The glue gun I have it right here. I use the transparent one. There's a yellow one. I haven't used the yellow one. I'm actually scared to use the yellow one. But I don't know. I mean, this doesn't say nothing that I can't use it. I just trust this one. I started working with this one, and I trust this one, especially because I have the white pearl sparkly car, so paint, so I don't want to mess it up. Comes with a little tool, which I usually buy the pack, bigger, longer ones, much easier to take out. So the letter A will be a bit more hard because it has two spikes there. You guys can see it. So it has the two spikes there. So this one will be pretty much harder, but if you start from the top of the A, it should be easy to just pull it out. The M, same thing. You start from either from the sides or the middle of the M. It also has two spikes too. The Y also two spikes. You can start from each corner and just, you know, lift it. And the R, lastly the R, you know, also two spikes, one on each side. You can also start from the corner of the R and then just move your way up, and it's easy to take it out. Once you do take it out, remember to pass glue gun, take all the residue that's gonna leave on your car, so you can clean it up, you know, clean it, try to wash your car. Usually when I take them out, I wash my car so I can rinse all the glue gun out, and then I can just nicely, you know, put a 3M or whatever I'm gonna put on. In this case, as you guys can see, I actually wrap this part. This whole part is wrapped. It's gloss black, so I wrapped it just because there are the holes I don't know if you guys can see it there. It's not that noticeable. Actually, you guys can't see it there. Thanks to Samsung for the 4K camera, quality camera. But yes. So when I wrapped it, pretty much you're still able to see a little bit, little details, not as much, but you know, it covers up the holes. Unless you guys want to spend and you know, get them professionally done, refill them, and then wrapped. So up to you guys. The big shout out to DC Designs for the Tiki emblem, beautiful design. He actually sent it to me when it just came out. This one actually pretty much, since I have the two spikes there, I believe the two holes there, it just covers it, you know, so it's perfect fit. So you have no issues there, you can just cover it. 3M double stick tape, put it there. It took it to at least 4 or 5 car washes, it's still there, still holding on strong. So no issues on that. KAMURI letters, same thing. You know, I went through 3 AutoZones actually to get them. So I mean, that's what I was doing the video on, because I believe I found the K and the M at one AutoZone and SD. A and U, oh no, I'm sorry, A and I found in another one by OC and the other one, so I just found them somewhere around. But yeah, it was three AutoZones that I went just to find these letters. I'm pretty sure Amazon sells them, but you know me, I like my things to get there fast. I don't like waiting for, you know, shipping. Sometimes I do have to wait just because, you know, some things are just not there or they don't sell them at stores. But you know, I drove around 3 AutoZones, found them, put them on, you know, after I wrapped the car, and yeah, I was setting them. I don't know if they still sell them. I believe they were going out of they weren't selling them anymore actually. They were just like some leftovers leather that they had there. Last year they were really popular. Now they're just going out of. So I mean, pretty sure you can find it in Amazon, you know, eBay. Just measure, you know, and see how big or how small you want them. You know, I went for chrome. Stands out on the black wrap. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me. Go through my Instagram. I usually message there. Actually reply there faster. Put the link down below, guys, just in case. And yeah, this has been the KAMURI letters tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to guys. We're almost 650, so I'm really happy about that, guys. We keep moving up little by little. We got some things coming up, you know. As if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys know that I got a big mod coming in. It was something that I was really hoping for, and it's happening, and I'm really happy about that. Something that you guys will see, you know. I just can't mention it right now yet. But stay tuned for that, guys. Remember, fam, it's not just about the car. Stay sexy out there.
over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air.